Hey everyone, and welcome. Let's talk about your nonprofit's website. For too long, we've treated it like a digital brochure, right? A place to just exist online. Well, today, we're going to change that. We're going to turn it into your most powerful, most hardworking fundraising tool. We're getting practical, we're getting actionable, and we're focusing on one single idea: conversion. Let's jump in.
You get 3 seconds. That's it. When a potential supporter lands on your site, their brain is making snap judgments. Do I get what they do? Do I trust them? Do I care? And honestly, most nonprofit websites, even the really beautiful ones, are totally failing this 3-second test.
And the stakes here, they are incredibly high. Take a look at this number, 30%. That means 30% of your visitors on a mobile phone are just gone. Poof, vanished. If your site takes a mere 5 seconds to load. We're not just losing traffic, we're losing real people, real donors, and real advocates before we even get a chance to say hello.
So that brings us to Section 1, your website's one job. This is the absolute most fundamental question you have to answer. I mean, before you pick a single color or write a single word, you have to nail this down. Here it is. What is the one thing, the single most important action you want a visitor to take? Is it to donate? Is it to sign up to volunteer? Is it to join an email list? Now, I know what you're thinking, but everything is important. I get it, but you have to pick one. Because every single element on your website either helps someone do that one thing or it's just getting in their way.
And that whole process, it actually has a name. It's called conversion. That's our goal here. We're not just building a website to have a pretty URL. We are building a machine that converts a person's curiosity into meaningful action. This is the metric that truly matters.
Okay, so how do we actually do that? Well, it's not magic, and it's not about just having a good feeling about your design. It's a science. So let's walk through 6 proven principles that are guaranteed to boost your website's conversion rate.
Here's our game plan. Think of these as your 6 golden rules. We're going to cover clarity over beauty, building trust, thinking mobile first, loading fast, having a super clear path to donate, and finally, using words that actually connect with people. Get these 6 things right, and you're golden. All right, let's dive into number 1, clarity over beauty. Look, I don't care how artistically stunning your website is. If it confuses people, it has failed. Just look at the example. We train homeless adults for tech careers. Boom. In under 10 words, I know exactly what you do. Compare that to the usual. Beautiful photos, but vague, abstract language, and menus I can't figure out. That just makes people want to leave.
Next up, trust. People do not give money to organizations they don't trust. It's that simple. So you have to show them proof that you're the real deal. We call these credibility markers. Don't just say you do great work, show them. Show them the numbers. 82% of our graduates got jobs. Show them the social proof, the great ratings, the real stories from people you've helped. This is how you turn a vague promise into concrete, undeniable trust.
Now for principles 3 and 4, mobile-first design and fast loading. Honestly, this is where most websites just fall apart. The majority of your visitors are on their phones. And this chart, well, it shows the brutal reality. If your site takes 10 seconds to load, you have lost 3/4, 75% of your potential supporters. Speed isn't just a nice-to-have feature. It's the absolute foundation of a good website.
Okay, let's talk about the actual words you use, your copy. Read this sentence. We leverage community partnerships to enhance social outcomes. Does that inspire you? Does it make you feel anything at all? Nope. It's cold, corporate jargon that means absolutely nothing to a potential donor. It's completely forgettable.
Now check out the difference. Same basic idea, but a world of difference in impact. We partner with local employers to hire program graduates. It's simple, it's active. It tells me exactly what you do and who benefits. The takeaway here is simple. Write like a human being for other human beings. Tell a clear story.
All right, moving on to Section 3, the path to action. So we've made things clear, we've built some trust. Now we have to make it ridiculously easy for people to actually do the thing we want them to do. And for most of us, that means donating. Please listen to this. Every single extra click you add to your donation process will cost you money, period. The ideal path is this simple. It should be click the donate button, enter the payment info, get a confirmation. Done. No making people create an account, no 5-page checkout forms. Your job is to remove every possible bit of friction.
So, let's get practical. Let's turn all this theory into something you can do right now. This is Section 4, your 15-minute website audit. You don't need a huge budget or a 6-month project to start getting better results. You just need 15 minutes.
Seriously, grab your phone, pull up your homepage, and be brutally honest with yourself. Ask a friend who knows nothing about your work to look at it. Can they figure out what you do in 15 seconds? Is your main call to action, like that donate button, the biggest, most obvious thing on the page? How many clicks does it actually take to give you $50? This simple exercise is going to show you exactly where to start.
And here's why all these little things matter so much. You might think, changing a headline, removing one field from a form. What difference does that make? A huge one. These small changes have a compounding effect. Get this. A simple 10% lift in your website's conversion rate can literally double your online giving over time. Double it. Which leads us to our final section, and it's a really important mental shift. It's about reframing what your website even is. I want you to stop thinking about it as a line item on your budget or as some static digital pamphlet. This is the big idea I want you to walk away with. Your website is a tool. No, scratch that. It's an asset. It is your single most dedicated fundraiser. It works 24/7, it never calls in sick, it is always there, telling your story, building trust, and driving action. When you start treating it that way, you unlock its incredible potential. So I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Based on everything we just talked about, what is the one single change you can make this week? Not next month, not next quarter, but this week, to make your website work harder for your mission. Just pick one thing and start there. Thanks for watching.